guys, welcome back to Kawaii Toy Collector. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make no glue lotion slime. So yeah, also guys, the hashtag notification squad for my last video is... Also remember, please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some video ideas. So let's get right into the video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I thought I'd show you guys how to make some simple and easy no glue lotion slime. I love no glue lotion slime, and I feel like I don't really post enough recipes on my channel about how to make it. So I thought in today's video, I would show you guys how to make simple no glue lotion slime. So let's get right into it. So the ingredients you guys when you make this slime recipe today is, of course, lotion. I love Bath & Body Works lotion for this recipe. I have a bunch right here. I have strawberry pound cake, Santa's blueberry shortbread, and Merry Christmas. This one is kind of an older one, but they all work the same. Then you guys will also need a bowler plate to make your slime in. Super simple recipe. And last but not least, you guys will need a mixing tool. I'm just using this little fork. It's like a small little fork. Okay, so I'm now going to get out my bowler plate, which is right here, and I'm going to get adding in my lotion. So I decided I'm going to use strawberry pound cake for the lotion for this recipe. If I can get it out. And that looks like enough. Don't want to use too much of it. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get mixing this up to thicken it up. And there is a hair in that, which is very gross. So sorry about that. But let's get mixing it up now. Okay, it looks like I mixed that quite enough. I actually mixed it a lot. And I just thickened it up and got it a little bit bubbly. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my airtight container right on here. And what you're going to do now is you're actually going to put this into the refrigerator for about an hour to 2 hours to even 3 hours. I'm going to check it out and check on it. I can't speak today. For every 30 minutes. And I'm going to mix it up and see how it works. So I'll see you guys in about a second. Okay guys, so it's been about 3 hours and here it is. And I did add a little bit more lotion there. You can see some of it sticking to the lids. Let's see how this turned out. And a little sticky. Let me pick it up actually. Oh yeah, it's quite runny actually. Oh wow. This actually turned out really nice. Better than I expected actually. It's quite stretchy for lotion slime. Usually my lotion slimes don't really turn out like this. It feels a lot like a glue slime, but it's not, obviously. It's just lotion slime. But it turned out really, really good. Also, please don't mind my nails. I need to get them done. I'm getting them done this week for Halloween. Or like fall. But it turned out really awesome. Yes, but the recipe turned out great. And I'm so happy how it turned out. It's really nice. And it's pokeable and everything. And it's awesome. Yeah. So happy with how it turned out. It's a huge win-win for me. It's really awesome. And yeah. So here's the recipe today. I hope you guys liked it. All you needed was lotion, so it was really one ingredient, no glue slime recipe, which is awesome, and it turned out really great. And here is once again a really great slime recipe, if I do say so myself. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video today. Remember, please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give some video ideas. Also, remember to check out Neatos. You can find them at your local Walmart, Target, any local store near you. They'll probably be there. But I love you guys so much. Remember to check out all my social medias. And yeah, bye guys. Love you so much, in peace, and thumbs up for no glue slime recipes. Bye!